Welcome back to the channel, and this time we are working on a push mower. It's a white outdoor 6.5 horse. The lady that dropped this off said that she went to try to start it, but as you can see the pull rope won't retract back in. So let's see if we can get that fixed up for her. First of all, this plastic cover needs to come off. I think the little 1/4-inch bolt heads, yep. This one's missing. Sit that down there for now. And does it even turn? Yeah, it turns. Feels pretty tight. There's two little 1/4-inch bolts that hold this on. Make sure the engine's not locked up. Yep, the engine spins. Turns, but it seems to be turning very tight. Wonder if it just needs a good lubing. Let me try spraying some WD-40 on that and see what that does. People leave this stuff sitting out in the weather. And it maybe it will and maybe it won't. I'm going to try working this back and forth a little bit, and then I'll bring you back and we'll see if it did any good. Okay, I've tried moving it back and forth quite a bit and it's still tight. So I'm thinking that the spring inside here might have broke. So let's see if we can get it. Okay, after a bunch of lubing on the shaft on the inside there, now it'll move. So let's put the little springs back in. See if that did any good. Put some more lube on there. There we go. Okay, let's put this back on the mower and see what happens. Alright, let's see what it's going to do.